So hello guys, in this video we're gonna install Android native emulators with the ability to choose resolution of our emulating phones and version of Android operating system without actually installing Android Studio graphical interface, but we're gonna use only CMD line tools. So your minimal system requirements to run native Android emulators are Linux Ubuntu version 20. It can be installed on the same hard drive as Windows and work side by side, and 4 GB of RAM. If your system only has 2 GB of RAM, in next video I'll show you the alternative way to run Android emulators through the Android box. It's Linux Android emulator without ability to choose Android version, like Android AP level 29, 30, 31. Next thing we need to install is Java Development Kit, version 11. Even though currently available version of Java is 21, you must download version 11, because Gradle, which we are going to install and compile our APK files, only works best with Java 11 or 8. As you can see, green arrows on the right is Gradle version 8.7. It supports all oldest version of Gradle. Red arrows on the mid is Java version 8. It also supports all oldest version of Gradle. But green arrows on the left is Java version 11. It supports latest version of Gradle up to 5.0. So if you really need to compile old versions of Android apps, you should use Java 8. But for now, it's enough to have only Java version 11. To download Java version 11, you need to go to their website and create an account. You shouldn't specify your personal information. Just enter valid email, password, and your postcode supposed to coincide with the city you choose. To verify installation, you will receive confirmation letter on your email. So to download Java version 11, let's go and search for JDK 11. So first website is oracle.com. Let's click it. Then come down and search for Linux 64 compressed archive. So click it. Click the checkbox. And after you click download JDK, you will be redirected to create an account. So let's click create an account. And fill the form, enter valid email address. So then create a password. It's supposed to have these parameters: 8 characters, 1 special, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and 1 digit. So let's create one. So then let's come down and make up our name, last name, job title, work phone. Work phone supposed to be valid amount of digits. So company name, address, city, and postal code supposed to, I think, 4 digits or 6 digits. So good. Let's create an account. So you should enter valid password, valid email, because there will be having confirmation letter. So and press create an account. So I am now at my mailbox. So let's click this link, and I will be redirected to oracle.com. So it says my email verification link has expired because I already used it, but for you it's supposed to be successful verification of account. So let's go back to oracle.com. Let's download Linux 64 compressed archive. Let's click it, click checkbox, and click download JDK. So now we actually can enter our account and download our package. So after I logged in, I have this download that started, And so I am waiting till it all downloads. After downloading this archive, you can unpack it anywhere you like. Then to give Linux access to this archive, we need to open a terminal, and in default path we should press nano bash rs, and it will provide you access to write your paths. So you should write export path, variable path, and specify location of your unpacked archive. So now I am at downloads. Let's open our JDK archive. Now I can extract it anywhere I like. So I'm gonna extract it to home, projects, Android tools. So extract it right here. Now I can click show the files. Move inside to JDK. Move to bin. And now right click on any file you like. Properties. And I need to copy parent folder. I need this path. Copy. Let's open our terminal. Ctrl-Alt-T. Now we can write nano dot bash rc. Move down. I think right here. And let's export path with the capital letters equal $path double dots and paste our path. So let's paste it, and now we can close the quotes. So press Ctrl X to exit, press Y to save file, and press enter to save it as bash rc. So now let's open a new terminal. Ctrl-Alt-T. I opened a new terminal. Let's write Java version, and I have installed Java version 11. So this is good. After we installed Java, we need to download SDK Manager. SDK Manager is a command line tool from Android Studio that allows you to download Android native emulators. So you can head to official Android Studio website and skip first section and download CMD line tools. So to download command line tools, we need to write download Android Studio. So first website is developers.android.com. Go there, skip all the section and move straight to the CMD line tools only. So CMD line tools only. Click on Linux, latest zip. Click and wait till it downloads. Check all conditions. And now you can download Android command line tools for Linux. So now I'm at downloads. Let's open our command line tools. Let's extract it. So home, projects, Android tools. Let's extract it here. Click show the files. Go to command line tools. Click to bin. Right click on any file, properties, and click to parent folder and copy that. Let's press terminal, Ctrl-Alt-T. Press CD, paste our path. So we're inside this directory. So now we can run it. SDK manager from inside. So writes that slash SDK manager dash list. So it gives an error. Incomparable version. So now we need to download Java version 21st, I think. So we need to download newer version of Java. After we download the SDK manager, we need to download Java version 21. Even though we have Java version 11, to run SDK manager we need Java version 21. Let's write JDK 21st. Let's go to the first link from oracle.com. And now we can search for Linux 64 compressor HIF and download it.